artificial intelligence, their new technology, GPT-4.
ChatGPT.
Will the world as we know it ever be the same again with ChatGPT? Ever believed artificial intelligence had reached its peak? Think again. Brace yourselves as we unveil the groundbreaking ChatGPT 2023. Whether your desires lie in automation, data insights, or creative sparks, the newly introduced ChatGPT's plugin feature is on a mission to shatter all preconceived notions of innovation. Welcome to a world where limitations are a myth. Let's leap into this extraordinary journey together. Welcome to Artificially Awesome. Be ready to be amazed as this intelligent digital companion effortlessly interacts with a range of cutting-edge plugins, enabling you to do more, uncover insights, and simplify your workflow like never before. I cannot wait to show you the possibilities. ChatGPT is essentially a natural language processing tool powered by AI technology. It allows for human-like interactions with the chatbot and does so much more. The language model can answer questions and help with your daily activities, such as writing emails, essays, and even coding. While ChatGPT is an impressive conversational AI chatbot, it does have its limitations, like providing outdated and biased responses, being confined to text, and lacking voice capabilities, among other things. However, the ChatGPT plugin is the first step toward overcoming these limitations. You might be wondering what exactly ChatGPT plugins are. They're third-party programs that enable the GPT language model to interface with external APIs. These plugins can be added to GPT, a computer program that understands and uses human language. Plugins enable GPT to perform tasks it couldn't before, such as accessing current global events, answering questions from a specialized database of information, or even booking a flight or ordering meals for you. This technological advancement, known as plugins, is facilitated by developers crafting a specific set of instructions that GPT can understand. Once the plugin is uploaded to GPT, it can start using those instructions to accomplish new tasks. This time, OpenAI is starting with a limited group of users, with plans to gradually expand access as they learn more. For plugin authors, ChatGPT users, and, following an alpha period, API users wanting to incorporate plugins into their businesses. For those who aren't aware, plugin authors who have been invited from their waitlist can use this feature to create their own ChatGPT plugin. Initially, 2 plugins were hosted, a web browser and a code interpreter. They also open sourced the code for a knowledge-based retrieval plugin, which can be self-hosted by any developer wanting to supplement ChatGPT. Browsing plugin. The ChatGPT browsing plugin functions like your highly intelligent online assistant. It can now obtain the most current and accurate information to answer questions that were previously beyond its capabilities. Now, the internet is teeming with ChatGPT browsing examples, such as generating the latest Oscar news and information, diving into the newest AI research, and more. As always, safety is a primary concern at OpenAI. To ensure this, ChatGPT uses Microsoft's Bing Search API and security measures to ensure the accuracy and trustworthiness of the information it provides. It also respects website owners' preferences by avoiding sites that do not wish their content to be crawled. Moreover, ChatGPT consistently identifies its sources and cites the websites it consulted when formulating an answer to your questions. This feature allows you to verify the accuracy of ChatGPT's responses, ensuring that you can always rely on the information it provides. Code Interpreter Plugin. The Code Interpreter ChatGPT plugin uses Python in a sandboxed and firewalled execution environment to manage uploads and downloads. When using the Interpreter plugin, the code is evaluated in a persistent session that remains active for the duration of a chat conversation with a timeout limit. This model allows users to add files to the current chat workspace and receive the results of their work. You can easily create efficient workflows when you have access to an eager, responsive coder who works at your pace. Early use cases for the code interpreter include solving mathematical problems, both quantitative and qualitative, conducting data analysis, creating visualizations, and converting file formats. You may not believe it, but they've pushed the known boundaries of AI, transforming it into a multitasking assistant that's handy for everything from arranging trips to creating content. Amid competition from autonomous AI bots and Google's Bard, ChatGPT from OpenAI remains a game changer, offering personalized assistance and unlimited customization through plugins. In fact, there are over 70 third-party ChatGPT plugins you can benefit from, some of which include Speechki. Speechki transforms your ChatGPT experience with lifelike voice responses. This easy-to-use plugin seamlessly integrates with ChatGPT, providing realistic text-to-speech output. With Speechki, you can convert your text conversation into a downloadable audio file for easy access. Wolfram. The Wolfram plugin enhances ChatGPT's intelligence by providing access to sophisticated computing, correct math, curated knowledge, real-time data, and visualization through Wolfram Alpha and the Wolfram language. It covers everything from science to geography, astronomy to pop culture, nutrition to engineering, and algorithmic code execution. Isn't it mind-blowing? EDX. With EDX, you will be able to utilize ChatGPT for a variety of activities at the conclusion of the course, such as summarizing and expanding on a topic, designing chatbots, and creating creative content. They partner with the world's best institutions and organizations to provide high-quality online courses to learners worldwide. Expedia. This plugin connects users to Expedia's group's travel data database and redirects them to Expedia to complete the transaction. It's interesting to note that this is the first plugin of its kind in the travel industry, allowing ChatGPT to utilize external tools or plugins for a variety of use cases, such as booking flights and retrieving data from a proprietary database. The purpose of this plugin is to simplify trip planning for ChatGPT users by providing up-to-date information on the availability and pricing of flights, hotels, vacation rentals, activities, and car rentals worldwide. Zapier. Now, introducing Zapier, the game-changing plugin that has revolutionized the capabilities of ChatGPT. With its powerful app linking functionality, Zapier enables users to transform ChatGPT into a versatile tool tailored to their specific needs. Users can use the Zapier ChatGPT plugin to automate operations such as composing and sending chat messages and emails, and adding, editing, or searching database objects from 5,000 plus applications like Google Sheets, Gmail, and Slack directly within ChatGPT interface. Even before its integration with ChatGPT, Zapier was already a force to be reckoned with, enabling workflow automation for everyone. However, this combination with ChatGPT has taken its potential to unprecedented levels. Now, Zapier acts as a dynamic bridge builder, seamlessly connecting various applications. Additionally, enhanced functionality and a wide range of automation capabilities empower users to streamline their workflows like never before. So, if you're convinced to try this new plugin feature, you might be wondering how to use it. The process is quite simple. First, go to chat.openai.com. Click on the three dots in the lower left corner, then on Settings. Now, choose Beta Features. Enable Web Browsing and Plugin. Click on GPT-4 or GPT-3 on the top bar to dismiss the pop-up. Then, select Plugins to access the plugin store. Select and install a plugin. And there you go. In all honesty, now that ChatGPT has full internet connectivity in its 2023 edition, allowing for unrestricted information retrieval, this includes the ability to collect information on current events, even if they're as recent as a day ago. This model includes an easy-to-use URL interpretation and extraction tool, allowing users to insert website links and extract essential information from them, or even generate entirely new content from them. Moreover, the AI has features designed to simplify trip planning, such as the ability to search for events and activities at your preferred location. It excels at gathering information from multiple platforms and can even provide insights into the viral potential of your ideas, making it a useful tool for small online businesses and influential individuals. It can also help analyze competitor strategies, providing you with valuable insights to help you stand out in the market. Sounds helpful, right? On the other hand, Bard is Google's AI chat service that competes with ChatGPT. Google launched its experimental AI conversation service on February 6th, which is quite amazing. However, Bard responds using a lightweight version of Google's language model for dialogue applications, LaMDA, and all the data from the web, unlike ChatGPT, which doesn't have internet access. Even though Google Bard has internet connectivity for a longer period than ChatGPT, Bard fails to generate responses significantly more frequently than ChatGPT. But this doesn't mean that ChatGPT doesn't have competitors that could surpass it. Apart from Google Bard, there are various open source communities in competition with ChatGPT. For instance, Stability AI recently released Stable LM, a new family of open source AI language models. So, what do you think? Will ChatGPT manage to keep up with all the competition or not? Let us know in the comment section. Before we wrap up, let's cast our eyes to the horizon. ChatGPT and its plugins are paving the way for a whole new realm of AI capabilities, evolving rapidly and transforming our daily lives in the process. However, this is just the beginning. As we look to the future, we can expect a race between OpenAI, Google, and many emerging open source communities. Their rivalry will undoubtedly fuel innovation, leading to more advanced, personalized, and efficient AI tools. It's a thrilling era for artificial intelligence, and we're here to witness it all unfold. Hey, don't forget to hit that like button unless you want our AI overlords to write us all a collective apology letter for not appreciating their cool features. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? The AI revolution? It's happening right now. So go ahead and subscribe and smack that bell icon to be the first one to know when we drop some more AI goodness your way. See you in the digital realm, space cowboys and cowgirls.